Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to cost accounting system, introduction to cost accounting, and in this video we are going to discuss differences between cost accounting system and financial accounting system. So what are the major differences between cost accounting system and financial accounting system we need to see in this. Okay, there are number of differences between cost accounting system and financial accounting system. So let us see by one. Few important one we are going to discuss, okay, which will be useful for you in the writing the exam. Okay, so we are having cost accounting, financial accounting, meaning cost accounting is used to calculate cost of the product and also helpful in controlling the cost. One point is it is used to know the cost of the product or service and also helpful in controlling the cost. In cost accounting, we study about variable cost, fixed cost, semi-fixed cost, overheads and capital cost. Like this, costing has different terms and cost is divided into variable and fixed nature, whereas this type of information will not be there in financial accounting, because financial accounting records transactions. Transaction is a part of recording of transaction is a part of financial accounting. We make financial statements like P&L account and balance sheet, okay. Through this transaction, with the help of financial statement, we analyze profit and financial position of the company. Okay, what is the financial position of the company, that will be known, or what is the profitability of the organization, that will be known through financial accounting. Okay, in cost accounting it is not like that. One point is over. Let us see the next point. Cost accounting involves preparation. अच्छा, किसके लिए, for whom it is made? Okay, audience or people interested, interested parties, or you can say reporting authority. Okay, you can say reporting. Whom you report? Reporting authority also you can call it as. Cost accounting reports are made for whom, and financial accounting reports are made for whom, that is what we are going to see. Cost accounting involves preparation of a broad range of reports that management need to run the business से related decisions लेने के लिए this will be useful. So it is internal report, we can say, for management purpose they are making internal report है ये. Whereas financial accounting involves preparation of a standard set of reports for an outside audience, which may be include investors like shareholders, creditors, credit rating agencies and regulatory agencies like SEBI, Companies Act, other things which are involved. So financial reports are needed for those purposes. Okay, ROC को रिपोर्ट करना है कंपनी है तो, like these reports are for different people. Next, format. For cost accounting there is no specific format, but as per the need of the management they may include some information in that situation, whatever may be. But for the preparation of financial accounting it is highly specific. If you are aware of your corporate accounting, for companies act to different format, they have specified schedule 3 of Companies Act. We will prepare financial statement as per that itself. Banking Regulation Act has specified banking for the bank accounts separate. For insurance companies, insurance regulatory and development authority has specified separate specific formats. According to those formats only, standards only, reporting will be done. Accounting standards are there, we need to prepare according to accounting standards also, whereas cost accounting does not have like that specific format. So cost accounting involves creating reports that can be any format specified by the management, with the intention of including only information are pertaining to specific decision or situation. In that situation, what is needed, that only will be given. Okay, suppose marginal costing technique uses, okay, uh, sales minus variable cost, you will get contribution. From that, if you deduct fixed cost, you will get profit. This format marginal costing uses. Whereas unit output costing, cost sheet, prime cost, works cost, like cost of production, like this different stages we are having after adding different costs, total cost and profit, then you will get sale. So different formats as per the need they will prepare in cost records. Okay, but whereas in case of financial accounting, it is not like that. The reports prepared under financial accounting are highly specified in their format and content and mandatory either generally accepted accounting principles or internal financial reporting standards, etc. Sorry, international standard IFRS. Okay, either by GAAP or IFRS, they need to follow few things for the preparation and presentation of financial statements. So next, regulatory framework. There is no regulatory framework governing the cost accounting reports, but whereas the structure of financial accounting reports are okay tightly governed by either generally accepted accounting principle or international financial report standards. Just like I said now, regulation authorities, company law, companies act is there. Company law says company should follow for the preparation and presentation of financial statements separate uh, what format schedule 3, and for companies like banking companies separate format is there. Similarly, other companies like insurance companies will have separate framework for the preparation of financial statements, and regulatory development regulatory authorities also are there who generally observe the things. Report content, the information in cost accounting report can contain both financial information and operational information. The operational information can come from the variety of sources that are not under the direct control of the accounting department, because cost accounting is takes information or data of past from financial accounting and estimates the future cost or budget the cost or prepare some budgets or quotations for the future period. Okay, and they want to control the cost according to that. But whereas financial accounting is not like that. Financial report contain an aggregate of the financial information recorded through the accounting system. Okay, through accounting system, when cost incurs, actually when it incurs, whether is paid or not immaterial. Okay, accrual concept is followed. If cost is incurred, in expenses are incurred in that period, it will record. Okay, it will record if it is a in financial nature or monetary nature, otherwise it will not record. So content, how it should be prepared is also mentioned in the report. So report content is one of the important point of difference between cost accounting and management accounting. Next we are having cost accounting staff may issue reports at any time with any degree of accuracy depending upon the management's need for the information. Okay, so when it requires for 1 month, they will prepare for 1 month. If they want for quarterly, they will prepare quarterly. If they want for 5 months period, they will prepare for 5 months period. For year, they will prepare for 10 years or 5 years. Like that, reports can be maintained at any degree of frequency, but not more than 1 year. They will project for maximum 1 to 2 years information, but as per the management's need they will prepare. Whereas financial accounting reports only issue at the end of the period. Sometimes projected financial statements will be prepared in some cases only half yearly, but monthly reports and quarterly reports, those reports, okay, reporting timing generally, when management requires, they will prepare, the cost accounting department will prepare the reports, but financial information will be at the end of the financial year or at the end of the calendar year they will prepare. Time horizon. The cost accounting does this too, but also can be involved in variety of projections for future period. I said now it will take the previous information. Based on previous information they will project for the future cost. Suppose in unit output costing we will prepare one cost sheet. एक कास्ट शीट बनाते हैं आप, ओके, on the basis of that cost sheet calculate some percentage direct wages to works overheads to direct wages, and office administration, percentage of office and administration overheads to works cost, and these percentages will be useful for future period. Suppose these are for 10,000 tons, okay. Next, if you want to prepare for 2000 tons, for 2000 tons they will prepare the information for future projection. If you want for 20,000 tons also, they will do it for the purpose of management. So time horizon, future period estimates can be made in cost accounting. Financial accounting is only concerned with the reporting. The results of reporting period have already been completed, okay. Only it will prepare reports after completion of expenditure, इतना इतना P&L में, balance sheet when you will prepare at the end of the period, okay. Beforehand you will not prepare. Future reports can be prepared in cost accounting, but financial accounting is based on historical basis. So after happening of the transaction or event, then it will record the transaction, then classify the transaction, then ledger preparation, trial balance preparation, thereon financial statements, P&L balance sheet will be prepared after incurring everything, okay. That is what will happen in financial accounting, whereas in cost accounting it is not. For future period it will estimate. So that is the major difference between cost accounting and financial accounting relating to the time horizon. Control. Here there is no control or measurement of control in financial accounting, because after happening of transaction it will just record the information ऐसा ऐसा हुआ, but correctness of transaction is important without where it is gone. कहीं पे चले गया. Okay, correctness of transaction is important without accuracy. It cannot make the estimations, so that cannot control the. For control purpose, correctness is required. Correctness of transaction is important. Without information, okay, it will not record the transaction in the books of accounts. Okay, evidence, they will see the evidence. Based on the evidence only it will. So the whatever information cost accounting system is using, it is from financial accounting only. Okay, so for cost accounting, financial accounting is the base, but for financial accounting, cost accounting is not a base. One more difference you can write. Okay, so here we end the video relating to differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. Okay, hope this video will be useful for you for preparation. I am making small videos. You can watch these videos 15 to 20 minutes video for the understanding purpose, and later on you can learn the answer in 10 minutes itself. So सीखना बन तो जीतना बन, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए. जय हिंद.